video, I'm going to show you how to process sales with your Alerxio account. After you add your staff to Alerxio, I mean your shop attendants when they log in, this is what they are going to be seeing. The system will bring them direct to the sales page. So your shop attendants are not going to be seeing the admin dashboard. So this is their menu over here. We have their point of sales menu over here. They can start break, end break, open shift, and then product sales categories. They can see product, but they can't delete the product or edit them. Then the sales too, they can see sales and move sales to trash, but they can't delete it permanently. And then they can also record expenses. Okay, so this is how you they make sales. So by default, the system will show you best selling items in your shop. But then you can also go to all items over here, all the items categories over here. So when you come to consumables, you see consumables over here, energy drink, fresh consumables, you see them over here. Okay, then you can just click on the item. When you click on it, it will automatically increase the number over here. Once you are clicking on the item, it will be increasing um, the quantity over here. You can either use the quantity decrement or increment button, increase it or decrease it. When I click here, I'm reducing the numbers. When I click, I'm increasing it. You can do it over here to the same thing. But then you can also enter the number over here by typing it. Now, this is the interesting part. Assuming you are serving one customer and you want to move on to the next customer, you're not done with the first customer, you can add item to his cart and then open a new order. So when you open a new order and you come back here, you see that the items are still here. When you click over here, three items, you still see these items over here. Then you go to new order. Now, assuming the order number two customer is ready and you want to pay, you can only go and process that sales from there. You come over here, then you go to checkout. When you come to checkout, we have the payment methods over here. So the total over here and then total amount. Now we have cash. Imagine, let's say if the customer give you 50 cedis to send his note, you have to give the person change. So you just have to enter the 50 cedis over here. But if the person give you exactly 45 cedis, you just enter it. There will be no change for you to give to the person. We've not enabled the PDF exporting for this yet. It's a feature that is coming shortly. So if I want to send this receipt to my customer, I'll just enter the customer email over here and then I send the receipt. The receipt has been sent. Let's open the email and see something. Good. So you see this is the email over here. When you click to open it, you will see the receipts nicely over here. You can see the receipt over here nicely. So you can print it. So if you want it as PDF, you can either print it as PDF from the or print it with your printer. Okay. Then if you also want to send it as WhatsApp, but then you need to log into WhatsApp web to be able to send it as WhatsApp over here. Or if you are using it on your phone, it can easily open the WhatsApp application for you on your phone. Then you can send the uh, receipt to the customer. All you need to do is enter the customer phone number over here with the Ghana with the country code +233, and then it will send the receipt to the customer.